Let's now install some libraries. First, let's install Expo Auth Session. Let's open from the documentation. Copy the installation command and paste it on the terminal. After installing Expo Auth Session, let's first add a scheme for our application. So open app.json, copy this log, then rename it to scheme. Then let's look for the use auth request hook. So this one, just copy from the example and paste inside application function. Then we are going to add the client ID for Expo, Android, iOS, and web. For Expo, let's type Expo client ID and copy this first. Rename the Expo. The second one is for Android. The third one is for web. And let's also add for iOS. So let's copy the client ID for ExpoGo, paste it here, copy the client ID for Android, for iOS, and for web. So we have accidentally removed the curly brace. So let's add this one here. Save. And we forgot to import the library. Where is import? So this one. Copy the import and paste here. Then we also install the Expo web browser library. Let's search for Expo web browser. Open from Expo documentation. Copy the installation command and paste on the terminal. Okay, then let's look for the import code and paste here. So we are going to use this one to check whether the user have logged in or not. So we are going to use a function from web browser which is called maybe complete auth session. So this is used, so this will close the web browser after the user has logged in. So web browser dot maybe complete auth session. So this is used for closing the web browser. We also need to install the React Native async storage. So click from the React Native website. This one doesn't have installation command. It's open from npm.js. Copy the installation command and paste it on the terminal. Then let's go back and open from the React Native documentation. I think this one is different. So open again from npm.js. Open from GitHub. Okay, this is for the documentation. Usage for importing, let's copy this code and paste it here. Save. We also need to install React Native Web. So this command, paste it here. Let's also install React DOM and Expo Metro Runtime. Okay, let's try to build for Android. Expo run Android. let's first check the Java version. So we are running Java 21. Let's use the one from Bash profile. Check again the Java version. It's now less than version 20 or below. Then rerun the code.